It's recording. Let's give this a go. Somewhere in the Gran Canaria. Look at this view.
I wish you knew what I am doing. Can't hold me from this, way too confronting. So how did I get here? I don't want you near. I need these walls to protect me, because your love could affect me. So how did I get here? I don't want you near. I need these walls to protect me, because your love could affect me. Be in my life, be in my life, be in my life, be in my be in my life, be in my life, be in my life, be in my
I just flew this peak over here and dived it. It was absolutely terrifying. Yeah, so this is me in the Canary Islands. I'm driving on the wrong side of the road, but I've done it plenty of times before, so I'm kind of used to it. But still, it's always that extra thing to think about when driving. And I just discovered my car has a sunroof. It's really cool. So I'm gonna... Look at that. Look at that. It's sunroofing away. So now I'm going to enjoy the rest of this drive. Just going to drive through these mountains a bit more, look for more spots to fly. Look at this. Isn't that stunning? I don't know if this thing can see those power lines there. But I almost ended my FPV trip by almost flying into those power lines. Could have been disastrous, but you know, I skillfully not missed it. So look at that. Look at that. This is beautiful. There's my little car. This thing's pretty cool. Anyhow, on that, I'm going to start driving. I'm going to Playa de Güigüí. GuiGui. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. But it's kind of a grueling hike. And I've got this heavy backpack on. It's all about getting the shot though, isn't it? So, hope this is worth it. Stunning mountain ranges though. It's almost dead quiet here. Can't hear anything but me and a few birds. Oh man. I guess I'm going to that ridge there. Whew, okay. So either go hard or go home. So I must have done about 4 kilometers so far. Doesn't sound like a lot. I walk 7 kilometers to work every day. But that 7 kilometers to work is flat. So all that behind me, I just come from the top of that, but not just from the top of that. I had to climb to the top of that, and now I'm down here. It's kind of grueling, but that's okay. You got to do these things for the good rewards in life. So I still got, it looks further than 1 kilometer, but the sign back there said 1.2 kilometers. I've probably come about 200 meters since then, I think. Who knows? I'm not tired. It's kind of enjoyable. It's just no one around. There's been a few, because I've come a bit late. So I've been getting a lot of people that come in the morning back. It's fuck. So sundown's at 8 o'clock. So I've got to do this quickly. Here, destination. Okay, it's kind of magnificent. Look at that. Well, I came here to rip, so I'm going to rip. Time is, what is it? Oh shit, 5:27. Sundown's at about 8. So I really got to move it and do that climb again and do it fast. This sand. This sand. Whew. Sand's only a little bit. It's like a fucking snake pit, but worse. Okay, sand's over. Ooh. Now, I'm gonna need both hands because I gotta climb all the way to the top of that. So, putting the camera away now. It's going to focus on climbing and get the fuck out of here. Oh fuck. I made a mistake. I'm halfway back. I think maybe a bit more than halfway. Oh my god. I I just came from all the way down there and climbed all the way up here. It's got to be the toughest thing I've ever done. And I haven't even finished. My thighs are cramping up. I haven't got a lot of sunlight left. My lips are parched because I've been conserving water. It's disgusting. But yeah. Oh geez, I'm gonna sleep well tonight. Now back down, and I get home, I have a shower, and I eat chickpeas. Oh fuck me. Ew. That's gross. It tastes gross. I better get a move on. This will be a little bit slower, but it'll be easier. Alright. I'll see you down at the car. Oh, fuck. I think I'm gonna pass out any second. Just finished and now I'm on the last legs back to the car. Boy, am I fucking glad I opted to go an automatic instead of a manual, because my legs, I don't know if they'll be able to push the clutch all the way for the hour drive back. Oh God, that was fucked up. It was good, but it was fucked up. Oh, oh, there's the car. I don't think I've ever been so relieved to see a Citroen. Jesus Christ. Guys, if you're ever going to do a hike like that, pack light, wear good shoes, and be fit. I'm fit, but damn, that was grueling. That guy that wrote the article about off the beaten track, he oversold that. He said it was a pleasant nature walk. Fuck, a pleasant nature walk isn't that hard of a climb. It has rails and it's fairly flat. It's a fucking pleasant nature walk. This thing made Mount Lofty look like fucking a speed hump next to a fucking mountain. Oh Jesus Christ. Mount Lofty. Oh, there's the car. Alright. No more for me for now. I'm gonna get the fuck back. See you later. Whew.